Hello everybody, this is Corvetto. Welcome back. I know I've been gone for a long time, like a month, but anyway, a long time. But finally, I have returned. This is what I've been working on. I've moved on from a free game. I'm still using a free recorder, but we'll ignore that for now. I've moved on from the free Roblox that little kids want to play, and I'm finally moving on to a place where my weird sense of humor and lack of filter between my mouth and my brain have shit. Basically what I'm trying to say is, either way we gonna slide. Basically what I'm trying to say is, I've moved on, and hopefully this game and everything will appeal to an audience that's more aligned with the kind of shit that I say, do, like. I have to watch my language if I'm gonna be monetized, though. Right. Anyways, today we are going to play Car Mechanic Simulator 2018. I probably should click this button earlier because yes, it says 80, but it takes like another 4 minutes for the garage to load. I'm just going to say now, I have been playing this game for like 40 hours or something. I think that's what Steam is saying, but yeah, it's it's pretty serious, and I don't know how long I've been recording. I'm gonna assume about 3 minutes. Okay, hopefully that's right. Anyways, today we are going to be restoring a car I found in the junkyard. Now, this video kind of came out of nowhere. I just got the sudden feeling to just frick it all, and I'm going to make a video for once in my pathetic life. So, here we are. So, basically, I guess I could still go into I guess I could still probably go into the junkyard and find something interesting. I've got a ton of mods installed. Might be why it takes so long to load, I don't know. So, there's always something interesting to find in the, junkyard. Like, I found some really ridiculous stuff, like a 4-wheel drive Celica, a few Land Rovers. I found a Volvo 242. That was really cool. Of course, I bought it because that's like one of my favorite cars in the world. But I haven't done anything with it yet because I don't have the third garage bay, which also means I don't have a welder, stuff like that. That's my latest project. As you can see, I don't have a welder, so I can't fix this stuff. And it's going to be a little while till I can get that. That requires level... See, here. I'm level 16. That requires like level 20, like 23 or something to unlock that upgrade. So, yeah. Anyways. This is my current, I don't know what you call it, project. This is one of the in-game cars. It's called a Magnum. For some reason, it's got the wing on it, but it won't let me fit the nose cone. So, yeah, it's kind of dumb. So, see. Shall I do the PT Cruiser? Or shall I go find myself some? I'm going to find something. And, yes. My laptop is a touchscreen, so if you wonder why my mouse doesn't move, but somehow I click on things, it's because I'm tapping the screen. Some games that doesn't work, like Euro Truck Simulator, it just freaks it the frick out. It works on Farming Simulator if you're in a menu. Euro Truck Simulator, it doesn't work at all. Alright. Well, this is just wonderful. Funny story. All the doors were missing off of a Ford Raptor. It was just, parked. And so I was, like, standing on the side of it, and my cursor was pointing, like, all the way through the truck and pointing at, like, a little thing in the background, and it said junk. So... my first thought was it was telling me that the car was junk. Huh. That's cool. Except that the floor's missing. That's kind of creepy. How in the world does that work exactly? What even is that? I think it's supposed to be a Beamer. Yeah, M635. So where's the bottom of it? That's weird. There's another Beamer. I have too many BMW mods installed, I think, because like everything is a BMW. M5 E34. Not that I have anything against BMWs, they're just hard to work on. And usually they're expensive. Well, actually, I don't know if they're expensive. That might be unfair. Yeah. So, nothing? Ooh. Yes! This is the first time I've seen this mod. Yeah. How much is it? 19,000. It actually has a real engine, too. Like, lots of the cars, you'll get them, and it'll say, dummy. Except it'll be like, hashtag, exclamation point, dummy. It'll be like nothing in the swap options like this, and it's kind of confusing. Oh my god, that's awesome. I never thought I'd actually see this car. And look, the floor isn't missing for some weird-ass reason. This is neat. Frick it. I'm buying it. I don't care. Yeah. We'll place it in the parking for now, because I might not actually use that right now. That's another thing on this game. I'll get a bunch of money. Like, I sold and I restored an i8 the best I could, and it completely freaking just... I've never seen my money so high. That made a little to no sense. Ooh. Jesus Christ. Could you put a bigger fucking wing on there? Big Wang Gang. Raw welt. 6,900 bucks. See, I had it backwards, but anyway, dummy. That means there's no engine, which means that the car is worth like nothing, even when you fix it all the way up. Stupid. That's how you can tell a good mod from a shit mod. A good mod actually has an engine in the car. Looks like there's nothing interesting here today. It kind of stinks. Unless I missed something back down here, which is possible. You gotta be careful, because stuff hides behind this building. Found a PT Cruiser back here. Nope, nothing. Why in the world they gave the BMWs, especially the one with no floor? It all rusted away. That's funny. Yes, I want to leave without items to buy. Why would I want to buy anything? It's nothing to buy, you know? Ugh. Maybe, just maybe, I can find a car before the video ends. Yes, I would like to go. I am totally sure that's why I hit the button. So weird. I mean, maybe if that thing has actually saved me on more than like 3 occasions, I would actually care that it was there. But I don't. It's just annoying. Yes, I would like to do this. That's why I hit the frickin' button. Ooh, there's something here. Fucking VW bus? Anybody? Yeah? Yeah, no. Forget that. Land Rover. These things are expensive, but they're worth quite a lot once you're done with them. See, like I said, $30,000 for this thing. Right. I don't know. Be interesting. Oh, and it does actually have an engine in it. I mean, it's only the one engine, but hey. Global body frame condition. Frame condition is completely useless, but I don't really care. Oh, true Land Rover style. They're right-hand drive, which means that I can't get in it. What is wrong with that seat? I'm a little confused. Oh, there's no seat. Like, seriously, what is going on here? Oh, there's no steering wheel. That's interesting. Looks like we just get the one chair. Huh. Trunk. Yeah. That's not the front bench. It's just a bench. Does this actually sit you in the back of the car? No. Well, that's annoying. Okay. So we might buy that, actually, if there's nothing cooler here. That'll probably be what we do. Ah, walking in a corner. Here we go. No, wait, going the wrong way again. Where the frick am I? Nothing here. This is a Beamer. I think that's one of those cars that's supposed to be a BMW. Huh. You don't say it's junk. Actually, sad thing is these junk cars usually have more pieces on them than the cars that you buy. Interesting little factoid there. That's where I found the Magnum, back in that little corner. That's why I check it. Okay, so there's nothing. Well, that's kind of disappointing. Just the Land Rover? Yeah, it looks like that's all we get on this one. Just the Land Rover. And the bus. Can't forget the bus. I think we'll do the bus. Or the Land Rover. What do you guys think? Forget, I don't care what you think. I'm buying it. $30,002. We'll put it in the garage. We'll get the heck out of here. Leave it at items buy. I love how it does that. I just bought something. The shit. Right. Mm-hmm. Here it is. Ah, Christ. Here it is. Here's our ride. Looking pretty good. So, yeah. This will be a series. We'll probably do like season 1, season 2, and each season's a new car. I like how you get the fender flares up here, but not back there too. That's interesting. Huh. Anyways, so far this is our car, season 1, Land Rover 90. I'm gonna put that back together and just sell it so I have enough money to fix this, and then that should be the end of our. Or no, that'll be the beginning of a new season. I'm out of practice here. Anyways, if you enjoyed, hit that like button. If you really enjoyed, smash that sub button and have a sub while you're at it too. Have your sub and eat it too. If you didn't enjoy, leave a comment down below. I'll tell you to fuck off. I think that's it. Corvettle out. Don't forget to